In this video, I will show you how to add custom domain in Odoo. In order to do that, what you can do is you can head over right here to our Odoo website. Go over right here to this configuration option, and in here you can see some other options as well. You can click onto this domain name, and then after you have done that, click on this my website is ready in order to confirm the changes. And then from in there, it will show you your database. We have in here as well your domain name. So you can use your own domain that you actually already own, or you can also get in here a new domain name. For this one, I'll just head over and click on this get new one and search in here for a domain that I want to use. For example, for this, I'll just search in here for something for this. After we have done that, it should be able to search for it, and we have in here .com, .net. Set and select one, and then from in here, enter your domain owner info. Then click on this register in order to register this particular domain for you and buy it yourself.